1% of the people who will survive this is who'll scaffold the skeleton of their app or anything they are developing. The 95%, let's say, the 90% through AI, and then from their experience, figure out the last 10% and then distribute their software. So taste is not going anywhere, optimizations are not going anywhere, SOC is not going anywhere, security analysis is not going anywhere, right? The human instinct of building software would still be there. It's just the abstractions have changed, and people can now build a lot of things and experiment in small time. That is what leading to some people getting replaced. Uh, I would say it's more of a slap on the face of people who thought that they are good developers, but a cheap AI model came and replaced them. What have you learned in life if a model is going to replace you, right?